Todd unearths video of Don Jr. advertising gun silencers that help get little kids into the game in September of last year, while his dad was busy attacking then Democratic nominee Hillary Clinton in the media. Donald Trump Jr. recorded a nearly 40-minute-long infomercial for gun silencers. In the wake of the deadly attack in Las Vegas, where millionaire shooter Stephen Paddock killed 59 people and wounded more than 500 others, MSNBC's Chuck Todd reminded viewers of Trump Jr.'s close ties to the gun lobby. The gun industry's marketing campaigns aimed at kids included avid hunter Trump Jr., Todd said, who praised littl product line, in part because it might make guns easier for kids to use. "It's about safety. It's about hearing protection. It's a health issue, frankly, for me," Trump Jr. said. littl product, Trump Jr. said in the clip, would help get little kids into the game because it greatly reduces recoil. "It's just a great instrument," the president's eldest son said. "There is nothing bad about it at all. It makes total sense. It's where we should be going." Watch Todd's unearthed video of Trump Jr. selling gun silencers below, via MSNBC.